Gemstone Caverns. How to play. The object of the game is to score the most points. You score points by grouping 5 or more boxes of the same shape. Give each player a score sheet and pencil. Set up the box dice tower like so. Set the sifting tray to the side. The player wearing the most jewels goes first. On your turn, drop all 4 dice in the dice tower to roll them. Once rolled, arrange the dice in the sifting tray so that each die is touching at least one other die along its flat edge. Corners aren't touching. Now, all the players must fill in the symbols from the chosen shape into a matching arrangement anywhere on their score sheet grid with these requirements. The shape and arrangement of the symbols on the die must remain the same. You are allowed to rotate the shape to help fit, but you are not allowed to mirror the shape. You can rotate the sifting tray or your score sheet to ensure proper alignment. You may not overlap the shape with already filled in spaces, even if they match. However, you are allowed to hang symbols off the edge of the board so long as at least one symbol fits into your grid. All symbols outside the edge of your grid are not counted and simply lost. You are allowed to add the symbols to your score sheet so that one or more empty boxes are isolated in areas of your grid if you want. Finally, you must place the active arrangement of symbols if it is possible, even if you don't want to. Once everyone has drawn the symbol arrangement onto their grids, the dice are passed clockwise and the process repeats until one player cannot legally place the active arrangement of symbols onto their grid. Then, all the players who can still place do so, then the game ends and points are scored. Boxes that are adjacent to other matching symbols in groups of 5 or more, in any direction except by corners, are scoreable. These are called scoreable groups. Circle all of your scoreable groups and cross out any non-scoreable boxes. Then, fill out your bottom scoring section as follows. In the first column, count the total number of scoreable groups for each shape. In the next column, count the total number of individual boxes you have in each scoreable group for each shape. Shapes not in scoreable groups don't count. Add up the totals of each row for your total score, and the player with the most points wins.